Hello and welcome to a new module of our hands-on exploit development advanced course. This module is named Acrobatics or Limited Character Set. These are the few assumptions that I'm working with. I'm assuming that you have a prerequisite or basic knowledge of following tools and software. If you don't, please check out the resources mentioned at the end of this video. This is our module structure and we are on first part, that is introduction, wherein I give you a brief overview of what we will be covering in this module and what tools are required for this module. The tools required for this module are: we'll be needing a virtualization software. You can use either VirtualBox or VMware, and we will be needing two virtual machines, one Linux and one Windows. For Linux, I will be using Kali Linux 2018.1, and on Kali I will be using Python 2.7.9 plus and a text editor. I will be using Sublime Text, but you can use any text editor of your choice, whichever you're comfortable with. And we'll also need Alpha 2 encoder. For Windows, we will be using Microsoft Windows XP as a virtual machine, and on Windows XP we will be using Immunity Debugger and Mono library for Immunity Debugger. Our target software will be QuickZip 4.6. And again, on Windows also we will be needing a text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice. I will be using Notepad++ in this case, and we will also be needing Python 2.7.9 or above. Let me give you a brief overview of what all we'll be covering in this acrobatics module. And we will be covering a lot of things, some previously learned techniques and some new techniques, and we will be doing a sort of acrobatics in most of the phases of our exploit development. So the first thing that we will be doing is fuzzing acrobatics, in which we will reverse zip file format and create a fuzzing script out of it, and then we'll use a combination of manual and automated fuzzing to fuzz QuickZip.exe. Then we'll move on to creating our exploit or exploit acrobatics in this case, and we will be combining two techniques that we had previously learned. These techniques are SCH overwrite and egg hunters. After that, and as you will see later, that we will be doing some crazy shellcode acrobatics. We will be taking a short jump, then a long jump. We will be carving out some code on the stack itself, and we'll also be doing stack pivoting and realignment. Then finally we'll move on to encoding acrobatics, wherein we'll manually encode our egg hunter because of the limited character set of this application. And for our final shellcode, we'll be using automated alphanumeric encoding via Alpha 2 encoder. My advice to you would be to not get overwhelmed by all of this. We will be covering each of these things step by step and gradually, and I will be taking you through this module in a way that you can easily follow and understand what I am doing. So sit back, relax, and continue onwards to this module. And if you want to learn more about the tools and techniques that we are using, please check out the resources mentioned here. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next part.